That familiar scent from my grandmother's kitchen always transported me back to childhood. Watching her place a single clove between her teeth each morning seemed like such a strange ritual until the day she revealed why. "This tiny spice has been my secret weapon for 40 years, she whispered, showing me her remarkably healthy gums and surprisingly white teeth despite her age. Skeptical but curious, I began researching what modern science says about this ancient remedy. What I discovered about this humble spice left me wondering why more people weren't incorporating it into their daily routines. Cloves contain compounds that offer remarkable benefits when used properly. The active ingredient, eugenol, provides powerful natural properties that support overall wellness in surprising ways. When I started following my grandmother's daily clove ritual, I noticed subtle changes that science actually supports. Ancient wisdom and modern research finally connected in ways I never expected. The first secret benefit comes from cloves' exceptional oral health properties. Dental professionals acknowledge that eugenol in cloves acts as a natural analgesic and antimicrobial agent. Research published in the Journal of Dentistry shows that clove oil can temporarily relieve toothache pain while helping to reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth. Chewing one clove daily stimulates saliva production, which naturally protects teeth and gums from decay, causing bacteria. The second hidden advantage relates to digestive health. According to studies from the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology, compounds in cloves help increase digestive enzyme production, potentially improving nutrient absorption and reducing bloating. My grandmother always claimed it helped with her stomach troubles, and she was likely experiencing these digestive benefits firsthand. Thirdly, the high antioxidant content in cloves supports overall cellular health. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry ranked cloves as having the highest antioxidant content among common spices. These compounds help neutralize free radicals that contribute to cellular aging and oxidative stress. One daily clove provides a small but consistent dose of these protective compounds. The fourth secret benefit involves respiratory support, especially during seasonal challenges. Traditional herbalists have long recommended cloves for throat comfort and respiratory wellness. Research from the Journal of Immunotoxicology confirms that eugenol has properties that may help maintain clear airways and support normal breathing patterns. Incorporating one clove into your daily routine is surprisingly simple. My grandmother's method involved chewing a single clove slowly each morning, allowing the oils to naturally release before discarding the remaining fibrous material. Alternatively, you can add ground cloves to warm beverages or include them in cooking regularly. The proper amount matters significantly. While one clove daily provides potential benefits, excessive consumption may cause irritation or sensitivity in some individuals. Moderation remains key with any potent natural substance. Timing also plays a role in maximizing benefits. Morning consumption on an empty stomach allows for optimal absorption of the active compounds, particularly for digestive support. For oral health benefits, chewing after meals may provide additional advantages by helping to cleanse the mouth naturally. Individual responses vary based on personal health profiles and existing conditions. What worked remarkably well for my grandmother may produce different results for others. Consistency proves more important than immediate effects, as many natural approaches work gradually over time. Potential sensitivities should be considered before beginning any new health routine. Some individuals may experience mild mouth irritation or digestive discomfort when first introducing cloves. Starting with smaller amounts can help determine your personal tolerance. Always consult healthcare providers before using cloves medicinally, especially if taking medications or managing existing health conditions. Traditional wisdom often contains valuable insights that modern science eventually validates. My grandmother's simple clove ritual represented centuries of practical observation, passed through generations, before research could explain the mechanisms behind the benefits. Tracking your experience with a daily clove ritual helps identify personal benefits. Many people report subtle improvements in breath freshness, digestion comfort, and gum health within weeks of consistent use. More significant changes typically require longer periods of regular consumption. Quality matters significantly when selecting cloves for daily use. Organic, freshly dried cloves retain more active compounds than older or irradiated products. Store cloves in a cool, dark place to preserve their potency.